Hello guys, what up? Welcome to my channel again. So today, let's continue to learn English 900. 各位朋友，大家下午好。This is Bruce speaking here. 这里是呢布鲁斯的英语课堂，我们继续来学英语900句。Okay. So today we're going to learn introductions and courtesies. 好了，今天我们要学习的是呢介绍和礼节啊。首先呢，我们看一下这个词啊，可能对一些For some friends who are beginners, this is a little bit challenging. 那么这个词呢有点难，可能啊，叫做我们看一下它的音标啊，读 courtesy, courtesy, OK, courteous behavior, good manners, 它是礼貌、客气的意思啊 ，OK。那么 courtesy 的话呢，我们知道是一个 noun 名词，那么它的这个形容词呢是就是在下面这个词 ，OK。下面这个词，so how to pronounce it？ 它的发音呢应该是 courteous 啊 ，courteous，它不读 courteous。In American English， 就是这个车的发音的话呢，因为两边都有这个 vowel sounds， 都有元音的因素，所以说它会读成 的啊，类似于的音啊 ，courteous，having or showing good manners，polite，彬彬有礼的。客气的 ，OK. So the first sentence we're going to learn for today is What's your name? 你叫什么名字啊 I think everybody knows it. What's your name? What's your name? 你叫什么名字 So the answer is My name is Jones. My name is Jones.Okay. 我姓琼斯啊，我的名字叫琼斯。Okay. You know, actually, as we know, for Chinese people and also like foreigners, like American people or people from Britain, the order of the names are different. 就是 the order of the names of names， 名字的顺序是不一样的。For Chinese, actually, we put our family name first. 我们是把名字放在是把姓放在前面。Sorry. 对于外国人来说的话呢 ，Americans or people in Europe, a lot of people in Europe, 他们是把这个名字放在前面是吧 ？OK, 把姓放在后边 ，Alright, OK. So 那么下面一个句子呢，就是问你的这个名字是什么啊 ？OK, What's your first name? What's your first name? 你名字叫什么 ？My first name is Bill. My first name is Bill.My first name is Bill. 我的名字叫比尔Okay. Next one. How do you spell your last name? How do you spell your last name? Okay. 你的姓是怎么拼的你的姓怎么拼法 How do you spell your last name? How do you spell your last name? Okay. Jones. Jones.Jones, 琼斯Jones, Jones. What's your friend's name? What's your friend's name? What's your friend's name? What's your friend's name? 你的朋友名字叫什么？你的朋友叫什么名字 His name is John Smith. His name is John Smith.他的名字叫John Smith， 约翰史密斯。OK. John and I are old friends. John and I are old friends. OK. 这个地方的话呢是可以连读的。John and I. OK. John and I. John and I are old friends. OK. 连读呢其实就是发音比较懒，因为发得太熟了嘛，就会比如说 John。And I 这个地方是一个辅音的，这个地方是一个 I 会读成 John and I John and I are old friends. John and I are old friends. Okay. Are you John's brother? Are you John's brother? Are you John's brother? Are you John's brother? 你是约翰的兄弟吗 No, I'm not. No, I'm not. 不，我不是。This is Mr. Jones. This is Mr. Jones. 这是琼斯先生。This is Mr. Jones. This is Mr. Jones. Okay. How do you do? How do you do? Okay. 你好。It's kind of rare to hear people say something like this now. 现在的问话的话呢，一般说 how do you do 的比较少啊。So the phrases that we often hear is like what up 就是 what up 其实就是what is up 的变形就是你其实就是翻译成中文就是你在忙什么什么事情上来了是吧？有什么事情 OK 在忙什么？一般我们也不会有正式的回答，一般会说 not much 或者是 nothing much 不忙不忙 OK because they don't expect you to elaborate on some details 他不希望你长篇大论的 OK so how do you do OK 我们之前学过的话呢是陌生人之间的话问候是吧？现在一般也会说 what up 这样的比较常用一些 OK how do you do how do you do 当然回答的话呢是 I'm doing good doing well 是吧？或者 I'm well OK let's move on to the next one Mrs. Jones This is Mr. Smith Mrs. Jones This is Mr. John Smith Mrs. Jones This is Mr. John Smith 琼斯夫人这是约翰史密斯先生 Very pleased to meet you Very pleased to meet you 见到您很高兴 Very pleased to meet you 见到您很高兴 Alright, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna make more videos about English learning and also about TOEFL and IELTS as well. Okay, so see you guys next time.